This workflow demonstrates how specimen data with duplicates are fused and curated. The collection reader actor imports a collection of specimen record from a file in CSV format into the workflow. This is the CSV file we use. It's real specimen data collected from Brooklyn Botanical Garden. To make the demo more clearly, here we just extract 7 specimen records with duplicates inside. The specimen record sort actor sorts the specimen records according to some rules, and finally a key is assigned to each record. If the records are identified as duplicates, they will have the same key. Currently, if the records have exactly the same collector number, collector name, and collecting year, they are identified as duplicates. These 3 records are duplicates. Specimen record chunker actor determines the duplicate set according to the key in each record assigned by the previous sort actor. It chops the sorted specimen record data stream into multiple chunks by putting each duplicate set into a separated collection. Specimen record fuse actor works on each duplicate set and tries to make a fused record. To merge records, for each field, it uses value supported by most of the records in this field. If there's no such mostly supported value, then we just simply make a union and leave it for human curation. Dispatcher actor dispatches each duplicate set and the fused record to specific curator. After importing all the data into a Google spreadsheet, dispatcher sends the link to curator by mail. Let's run the workflow now to see what happens. Currently, we have 4 duplicate sets, and all of them are sent to Kepler.ucd mailbox. Each mail contains information of the spreadsheet link. For this dataset, the latitude and longitude are good, but the locality has a little problem. Detailed location seems better. Let's change it and submit the curation. Curation collector actor collects final curation result by polling the status of spreadsheet. After all the curators submit curation, the workflow is end. Now, the workflow is suspending, since the curator is still waiting for the other 3 curations to be submitted. Let's do that. Wait a minute. The collector of this dataset is not declared clearly. It's hard to curate such data. It might be better to move away such problem data for specific cleaning. This dataset also has some problem. It seems they are from the same collector. We'd better use some fuzzy match method to identify the duplicates instead of exact match. Now, all the curation is done. The workflow execution is finished. According to suggestion from curators, we decided to make some improvement of the workflow. Firstly, we add an actor to clean the data by removing bad data which should be cleaned elsewhere. It reads in all the data, and it picks up good data according to some standard, and put them together in a collection labeled as high quality. Secondly, we replace the actor to sort the specimen records with an advanced version, which uses fuzzy match method to identify duplicates. Now, we should use good data from high-quality collection. Actually, we even make the actor more configurable. You could provide the Java class file to sort records by using your own comparing algorithm. It makes the actor highly adaptable to sorting algorithm changes. Let's run the workflow again to see what happens now. This time, we only get 2 duplicate sets for human curation. The bad data has been removed, and these 2 records are identified as duplicates instead of 2 unique records. Collection display actor shows the complete workflow execution trace, which is actually written into a file by trace writer. By using the provenance browser, we can see the data dependency and the collection change history very clear. This is the final curated record. Here is our change. The record is generated by curation collector by using the Google spreadsheet link information. The red line indicates what data is used by curation collector to generate the curated record. Similarly, the Google spreadsheet link information is generated by dispatcher actor by using the automatically fused record and the original duplicate records. These 2 records removed by the cleaner are the bad data which are not used by the remaining workflow. By using these arrows, we can see the evolving history of the data dependency. We can also clearly see the history of collection structure and actor invocation dependency. We've demonstrated some good features of Kepler workflow system doing biodiversity data quality control. Actually, workflow system fits for applications requiring the following features. Process feature. The application is a process which usually contains multiple steps and branches. Dynamic feature. Scientific application is always related to exploring research, so change is normal. The process itself could be changed. The individual component inside the process could also be added, replaced, or deleted. Dynamic feature requires the system to be highly adaptable to these changes. Reuse feature. The individual component or sub-processes are expected to be easily reused to build up a customized process. Rerun feature. Comparison and repeat are usually very important for scientific applications. So we often need to rerun the analysis process for different dataset or the same set under different conditions. Tracking feature. For confidence evaluation or other purpose, getting to know how the data comes from is very important. Provenance recording of a workflow system could be great help. Moreover, workflow system also provides great support for system monitor and advanced management functionalities.